Today, we're diving into the world of Mixo AI, a cutting-edge productivity tool designed to streamline your workflow and supercharge your productivity. Mixo AI is your go-to solution for automating repetitive tasks, organizing your digital life, and maximizing efficiency. In this video, we'll explore its key features, pricing structure, user experience, pros and cons, and alternative options. Let's take a quick look at Mixo AI's main features. Intuitive task automation. Mixo AI simplifies your day-to-day by automating tasks like email sorting, calendar management, and file organization, allowing you to focus on high-priority tasks. Smart calendar integration. Seamlessly sync your calendar across platforms and receive intelligent reminders and scheduling suggestions tailored to your preferences. Advanced data insights. Gain valuable insights into your productivity patterns with detailed analytics and reports, empowering you to optimize your workflow. Cross-platform compatibility. Whether you're on desktop or mobile, Mixo AI ensures a seamless user experience across all your devices. Customizable workflows. Tailor Mixo AI to suit your unique workflow with customizable automation rules and personalized settings. Secure data handling. Rest easy knowing that your sensitive information is protected with robust encryption and privacy features. Mixo AI offers flexible pricing options to suit your needs. With a free tier and basic functionality, the premium plan unlocks advanced features such as unlimited automation rules and priority support for $9.99 per month. For enterprise users, the business plan offers enhanced security and scalability at $19.99 per user per month, making it ideal for teams of all sizes. Experience the power of Mixo AI with its intuitive interface and seamless integration into your existing workflows. With easy-to-set-up minimal maintenance, you'll be up and running in no time, enjoying newfound productivity and efficiency. Mixo AI offers a user-friendly platform for quickly launching and validating business ideas, making it accessible for those with limited technical skills. Its AI-powered website generation capability enables the rapid creation of websites, saving time and effort. Mixo's transparent and affordable pricing structure makes it suitable for entrepreneurs on any budget, providing the opportunity to experiment and iterate without significant financial investment. However, some users may find the platform's features limited compared to more robust website builders, potentially restricting customization options. Looking for alternatives to Mixo AI? Similar tools such as Zapier and IFTTT offer comparable automation features, while platforms like Todoist and Trello provide robust task management solutions. However, Mixo AI stands out for its seamless integration and advanced automation capabilities. In conclusion, Mixo AI is a powerful productivity tool that revolutionizes the way you work. With its intuitive interface, advanced automation features, and seamless integration, it's the perfect option for busy professionals looking to streamline their workflow. Sign up and experience the future of productivity with Mixo AI. Don't forget to subscribe to Easy Internet for more tips and tricks on maximizing your online productivity. Thank you for watching.